Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the audio into Audition and selecting the specific clip or track you want to shape. Once done, open Effects Filter and EQ Parametric Equalizer so you get the full control panel. This gives you visual curves and band controls. Make sure Preview is enabled and Bypass is off so you hear changes in real time. You do this because immediate feedback lets you judge tonal balance while adjusting, saving time versus blind parameter tweaking. You now work the EQ bands. Move nodes to set frequency, change gain to boost or cut, and tighten Q for surgical cuts or widen for tonal shifts. For voice, apply a gentle high pass around 40 ADHC to remove rumble. For brightness, lift highs near 812 kHz. Make sure to solo individual bands and watch the spectrum display so you can find resonances or masking frequencies. This helps you reduce muddiness rather than merely increasing loudness. You finish by comparing a versus B and toggling bypass so you confirm net benefit. Small changes usually sound more natural. Automate band gains if the tonal balance shifts across the track, then render or apply the effect to commit. If you hear ringing, phase issues, or unpleasant artifacts, make sure to reduce Q, lower boost/cut amounts, or switch to a linear phase mode to preserve transients. Finally, trust your ears and reference other tracks to validate tonal choices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.